what are the steps to follow after that? So the first step is choosing domain name and the platform which you are going to use for your e-commerce website. So if the requirement is bandwidth, if you're selling digital products for which probably you do not require any physical logistics, but you require a lot of bandwidth. So what kind of platform you are going to choose for that? So choosing the suitable domain name can be actually very tricky. You really need to spend time to choose the right domain name and whether it is available. And if it is not available, is it available in the secondary market? So you may have to buy that domain name from the secondary market, maybe at a little higher price. So you have to choose among the platforms to host site, which may actually, those platforms may significantly vary. So you have to choose the account with probably great technical support. Actually, in most of the cases, you really need great technical support if you do not have your own in-house technical support. And you need hosting accounts with latest technology like SSD storage, which is flash drive storage, very fast. It makes your website very fast. Then SSL security, which is required for secure web hosting accounts, and CDN facility, which makes your site fast and brings more traffic to your website. So these facilities has to be negotiated and worked out before you choose domain name and you choose the platforms where you are going to host your website. Then, very important step, the second step in this pursuit to create a very high quality, workable e-commerce site is deciding on the product pricing and the payment gateway. How the customers are going to pay and what will be the experience of the customer at the time of payment. These are very important things. How customers are going to pay, how will you receive the payment in your account, and the costing of the products and the customer experience. These are very, very important issues actually, because they denote the climax of the marketing journey, marketing of your product. That is the point of purchase or the point of sale where customer experience has to be really good. So this second step is very, very important. And then your third step is to build your e-commerce website in your account. You have the domain, you have the hosting account, but you have to now build your e-commerce website. What kind of logos you have got it designed? You have to choose from those logos. You need to register those logos. You have to get it trademarked. You have to apply for the trademark of the logos and the company name and the domain name. So you have to protect your the intellectual property rights by doing all this very, very important steps. And you have to create very high quality product photographs. You have to choose from the web building softwares which are required for building your high quality e-commerce globally acceptable website. And you have to set up your email accounts, what kind of email accounts you are required to be set up. And very importantly, what is the checkout experience, which I have already mentioned for the customers. And you have to create the post-sale experience of the customer on the website. So you have to create such pages. You have to create the account pages for the customers where they can see the progress of the post-sale activity on their orders. They can check their orders. They can come back to you. So they need to probably have some certain kind of account which they can maintain on the website. So these things has to be part of your building of the high quality, globally accepted e-commerce website. Then your fourth step is to grow your business online on the digital platform. This is a very, very important area which requires several techniques to to promote your website, to bring traffic, large amount of traffic, targeted traffic. So a lot of techniques has to be used, which we'll be discussing in the later sections. We'll be discussing on this. So you require search engine optimization, you require search engine marketing strategies, you need social media linking of your website with linking with the LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. So what kind of linking is required? That architecture has to be created. Creation of the coupons and the discounts for the customers and the bulk buyers, and also running of the online campaigns, marketing campaigns. So there are several strategies, several aspects of growing your business online, which will be discussed in more details in later sections. And then your fifth step is the search engine optimization and analytics, analysis of your the traffic which is coming on the website. So there are some analytical tools and softwares which analyze your website, how is it functioning, and how is it being operated, and what is actually happening on your website. So you need to create SEO pages, you need to create analytics pages using some kind of tracking plugins in your website. So these kind of technical understanding, basic understanding is needed for you to run your website and grow your business online. So these are the main steps which are to be followed for creating the world-class e-commerce websites.